Hi there, I'm Frank from UPDF, and today I'll show you how to annotate PDFs easily using UPDF. UPDF works across Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, so you can annotate from any device you wish. Just download UPDF in the link in the description, and let's get started. If you need to emphasize an important point, UPDF lets you highlight, underline, strike through, and add squiggly lines to text. And you can customize these as well. Let's see how they work. When you open your PDF in UPDF, you'll see the markup tools in the top toolbar. If they're not there, you can click on the tools and comment to enable it. Click the arrow next to the H icon to see options like highlight, underline, strike through, and squiggly line. Now, the steps to use these tools are all the same. Let's say you wanted to highlight some text. Just select the highlight tool, then drag your cursor over the text you'd like to highlight. A small toolbar will appear. From here, you can change the color or opacity of your highlight, switch it to underlining, strike through, or a squiggly line. You can add a sticky note. You can copy the markup or delete it. Click the H icon to access various color options and the Add Continuously feature. When Add Continuously is enabled, this lets you highlight multiple sections of text without having to reselect the tool each time. To stop the continuous highlighting, simply uncheck the option. You can also adjust this in the settings. Just right-click and select Preferences. Go to the Commenting, and you can choose whether to keep the comment tool selected or not. If you need to leave feedback or explain a point in a document, you can add a text comment, a text box, and a text callout to do that. Click the down arrow next to the T icon in the toolbar and choose from text comment, text box, or text callout. The steps for using all three are the same, so let's use text comment as an example. Select the tool, then click anywhere on the page and start typing. Once you've added your text, a toolbar will appear where you can customize the font size, the color, the style, and opacity. You can also copy and delete the text as needed. Similarly, you can add a text box or a text callout and then customize that. Next, let's talk about adding sticky notes. These are great for leaving quick comments or reminders without cluttering up the page or changing the original content. Click the sticky note icon in the top toolbar and you can choose the note color, and if you want, you can add multiple notes without reselecting the tool. Just turn on Add Continuously. Next, click anywhere on the page to place the note and a text box will appear. Just type your message in the text box. Then you can customize the background color, you can change the text size to small, medium, or large, and you can use the erase tool to clear the text all at once. Once you're happy with your note, click the Send button to add it to your document. Now, if you're someone that likes to add freehand notes, sketches, or quick markups to your PDFs, you can use the pencil, highlighter, and eraser tools. Click the pencil option in the toolbar and select the tool you'd like to use, pencil, highlighter, or eraser. Let's say you choose the pencil tool. You can now customize the stroke color, adjust the thickness, and set the opacity to whatever you like. Once you're set up, just draw anything that you need. You can also customize it using the floating toolbar. UPDF lets you add several types of shapes to annotate your PDF. You can use a rectangle or a circle shape to highlight a specific section, or use arrows to point to something. Simply click the small arrow next to the rectangle icon and pick your desired shape like a rectangle, an oval, a polygon, line, arrow, and connected lines. Now, change the border color, fill color, border thickness, and opacity as needed. Then, simply click anywhere on the page to add the shape and drag the borders to resize it. Next up is the Measure tool. This feature is great for anyone needing precise dimensions in a PDF, such as measuring floor plans, technical drawings, or scaled documents. Click the down arrow for the Measure tool from the top. Select from the Distance tool, the Perimeter tool, or the Area tool. Let's say you want to measure the distance between 2 points in your PDF. Then you would select the Distance tool, you'd hover over the Distance tool to customize its color, thickness, and opacity. Then click at the starting point for the measurement and move to the end point, then click again. Now you can see the distance measured. You can also see the measurement details down at the bottom. Similarly, you can use the parameter and the area tools. You can also attach any supporting documents, images, or references to your PDF. Just click on the Attachments tool in the toolbar and choose the icon's style, color, and opacity. Next, click anywhere on the PDF and select the file you'd like to attach. Click Open and the file will be added to your PDF. To enhance the look and feel of your PDF, you can add stickers to make it even more visually appealing. Select the Sticker tool in the toolbar, select the sticker you'd like from several themed options, then click anywhere on the PDF to place the sticker and drag its borders to resize it. You can also flip it, change its opacity, or delete it from the floating toolbar. UPDF also has a Post-it note feature. Just click on the sticker icon again, click on the Post-it notes, enter in the text you'd like, change the font type, size, alignment, and color of the note you'd like to post, then click on OK. Click on the place of the PDF where you'd like to put it, and now you can adjust its size and change its position. UPDF also lets you add stamps to your PDF for quickly marking documents as approved, confidential, or reviewed, or whatever you'd like. Select the Stamps tool from the top, choose the stamp you'd like, and click anywhere on the PDF to place the stamp. And you can also create your own custom stamp. Just go to Stamps, select Custom, and click Create. Pick a template, type your text, and you can choose a date, time, change its color if you'd like, and then click Create. Then you click anywhere on the PDF you'd like to add it, and it will appear. Finally, if your PDF has a lot of comments and annotations, UPDF makes it easy to manage them all. Select Comments from the left side of the screen and you will see a list of all the comments in the document. To sort them, click Sort Comments and choose to organize them by page, author, type, date, or color. If you only want to see certain types of comments, click Filter Comments. Now you can filter the comments by type, color, or author. You can also export all of the comments in your document. Just click Export PDF, then choose to export everything by page or only the filtered comments. Next, select how you want the export to look. You can either export a summary of notes or export everything as plain text. And that wraps up our look at annotating PDFs. You've seen how easy it is to comment and collaborate using UPDF. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the link in the description to download UPDF. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. We'll see you next time.